Alright guys, today we're going to do section 2 of unit 12, talking about arcs and chords. Okay, our objectives are to apply properties of arcs, apply properties of chords. Okay, a central angle is an angle whose vertex is the center of a circle. An arc, so here's a circle. This would be an example of a central angle whose vertex is in the center of the circle. An arc is an unbroken part of a circle consisting of 2 points called the endpoints and all the points on the circle between them. So if we call this A and we call this B, this right here would be called arc AB. Okay, a minor arc is an arc whose points are in the interior of a central angle. Okay, so arc AC is a minor arc. A major arc is an arc whose points are in the exterior. So arc ADC. ADC is not within the central angle, which is this right here. So that's called a major arc. And then when you have a semicircle, forms a straight edge, and this is also your diameter of that circle, okay? So arc EFG is a major arc. Is a semicircle. All right, minor arcs may be named by 2 points. Major arcs and semicircles must be named by 3 points. And you kind of saw that right here. Minor arc, major, and semicircle. Okay, the circle graph shows the types of grass planted in the yards of one neighborhood. Find the measure of MLF. Okay, so MLF. That's KLF. I was going to say I didn't see an M anywhere. KLF. So that's this. This is a major arc, okay, because these are your central angles, and it's not within those central angles. So that's why it's labeled with 3 letters here. So we want to know the types of grass. Well, we have 65%, and the total is 360. So 65% times 360, the measurement of arc KLF is going to be 234 degrees. All right, use the graph to find each of the following. Measure of arc FMC. So we have FMC. Oh, okay, guys. I'm saying arc. This is not an arc. This is an angle. Shoot, I'm like, I don't even see an M. Okay, FMC is this right here. Okay, so what we have here is we have, what is that? We have 9, 10, and 11. So we have 30% of, again, with central angles. Remember, if you add up all your central angles, you get 360. So the measurement of that angle is going to be 108 degrees. Then we have arc AHB. Excuse me, central angle AHB. So we have A, H, and oh my gosh, I'm going to back up. This is an arc. AHB. So AHB is this major arc right here. Okay? All right, so two ways you could do this. You could take the 26 plus the 3 plus the 3 plus the 9 plus the 10 plus the 11 plus the 13. But an easier way, when you're dealing with percent, you have 100% of something. Well, if the arc that's left out is 25%, then the percent of this arc would be 75%. And then we want to find, let's see if I can get this right this time, measurement of central angle EMD. So we have EMD, this right here, 10%. So you're going to take 10% of 360, and that gives you 36 degrees. Okay, adjacent arcs are arcs of the same circle that intersect at exactly one point. So what we have here is we have arc RS in red and then arc S2, and they're adjacent because their intersection point is right here at point S. So we have an arc addition postulate, just like your ruler and just like your angle. So when you take the measurement of arc AB, add measurement of arc BC, you will get the measurement of arc ABC. So let's try this. All right, find the measurement of arc BD. BD is this right here. Okay, so what do we know here? We have this angle and this angle as vertical angles. Okay, so this right here would also be 97.4 degrees. So measurement of arc BC equals 97.4 degrees. And then, if y'all can see it, BE is a semicircle. Therefore, these three arcs will equal 180 degrees. Well, I have 180 minus the 97.4 and then minus the 52, and I will get what I need right here. I'll get that measurement. That's going to give me 30.6 degrees. So the measurement of arc BD is going to be 97.4 plus the 30.6, and I get 128 degrees. All right, find each measure. Arc JKL. JKL, that's this right here. All right? Well, if this here is 25, I know this here is 25. JM is your diameter, therefore that is a semicircle. So I can take 180 minus the 40 and the 25, and I will get this measurement right here. So what is that? 65 minus 65, 115 degrees. Okay. So this here is 115. So the measurement of arc JKL equals 115 plus 25, and I get 140 degrees. Okay, now we got it. LJN. LJN, so that's this right here. Okay. Well, we know that this here is 25 degrees. We know that this here is 115 degrees. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find this. So I can take 180 and minus 25 because KN is a diameter that makes this a semicircle. And what's that give me? 155. So then this right here is 155 degrees. So I have 115 plus 25 plus 155. And that's going to give me 295 degrees. Okay, let me check on time before we move on. And I'm going to stop it and we'll start back up.